That's the extent of her Spanish. Deseamos que tengan un buen Cinco de Mayo.
I have no idea what you just said. Were you impressed that I answered with como estas? I think you didn't think that was coming.
I normally would have said, como están. Since we're talking to a group of people, we hope there's more than one person watching at the other end.
Well, you never know.
You never know. And in that spirit, if you are that one person, please make sure you're subscribed.
Thank you.
Por favor.
Yeah.
And today, to really kick up your Cinco de Mayo celebrations a notch. Oh my.
We're kicking it up a notch.
I love the shoes you have on.
When have I ever worn shoes? Except the one time I had to wear the boots.
Yeah, the boots. She hasn't worn those. It won't be happening again. Thank God. But anyways, to really kick up your Cinco de Mayo a notch, we are going to be making a fabulous bebida.
Does that mean?
That's a drink.
Drink.
I think. It's been a while since I've been to Spain.
So you're probably wondering, wow, guys, let's get right into it. What are you making?
Yeah, it's been 15 minutes that I've been watching this damn video. What drink are we making? You're saying to yourself at home.
We're making just a play on a margarita. We're going to do something a little bit different and use some nice yummy juice to flavor. So we're doing a strawberry peach margarita or strawberry peach tequila beverage.
Wow, that description was something.
Peachy. What's something like? Do you know any Spanish words that would rhyme with peachy or peach?
I would have to brainstorm. You should have asked me in advance so I could prepare instead of putting me on the spot.
So what you're going to need for this fabulous beverage, you're going to need just regular tequila. We're going to do some Espolòn, some triple sec. Those are two main margarita ingredients. Another main one, limes. Our specialty juice, which honestly you can really use whatever flavored juice you want. This is more of an easy way to make a flavored margarita or a flavored cocktail without muddling your fruit and doing all the crazy stuff that we normally do. And then we're just going to top it off with some fizz, but because this is so sweet, instead of using something like Sprite, which is what I would normally do, we're going to do just a lime soda water. And that's all you need, folks. So I guess we'll just, what's Spanish for jump right in?
Okay, girl, you're really putting me on the spot way too much.
You're the one who is trilingual, okay? So, to get things going, you're going to need 2 ounces of tequila.
Just 2 ounces.
You'll need 2 ounces of triple sec. Actually, we're going to do a little tiny less than 2 ounces.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's a lot.
I mean, margaritas are typically equal parts triple sec and tequila.
Wow.
And a lot of times simple, but like I said, we have a lot of sugar in here.
Simple syrup is what she's referring to when she says simple.
We're going to do, let's just do 1 of the strawberry peach, 1 ounce. Because I feel like, well, let's see what that's looking like, I guess. Well, do 2 ounces, guys.
Oh my God, have you had a stroke?
I think I'm a little pre-drunk.
That's interesting.
So you're going to do half of a lime. This is for 1 serving, by the way.
Wow, that one sounded juicy.
And then you'll need some ice. Oh.
Here comes Yager. He can't let us have 1 moment. Love that bartender trick you just did.
Shake it.
What a flair she has.
I would do something fun, but we know that I'm not capable. So I'm just going to do this.
It did seem that way.
So we're going to just do, should we put ice in them? Or you think they'll be good without?
Can you just pour it without ice?
Yeah, we'll do the dirty ice and see what we're looking at. Okay. So pour right in with your ice.
Oh my god, and the way it matches our pink Himalayan salt rim perfectly is kind of iconic.
And then to top this bad boy off,
wow. It's something.
that is something.
Okay, well, let's go, girls. Feliz Cinco de Mayo.
Very full.
Very full. My rim is looking a little bit more like, Ooh, I love that.
Oh yeah, it's a good contrast with the salt.
Mm-hmm. The peach and the strawberry is like a nice little sweetness with the like, obviously saltiness of the salt rim. And then I feel like I would describe tequila as like sometimes a little bit of a twang. You know what I mean?
It's fine.
It burns for me.
It goes down like water for me, so.
Well, and that is why you have a problem. Cheers.
Cheers to your babe never able to accomplish something like this.
Never once. Your fave could never.
Your fave gets kicked out of Chili's on Cinco de Mayo.
Chili's, I'm crying. Chili's is going to be so upset when they see this. I can't relate. I don't get kicked out anywhere. I actually get asked to go places. You know, they reach out and they say, please.
Make
come
an
and dine here."
appearance.
Mhm. And it's not Chili's,
a
honey.
paid appearance.
Cheers to that.
And cheers to us, and cheers to you. I hope you get alcohol poisoning tonight.
So giving.
Real hot girl shit.